you camera shy? Come here, you know you're the boss. Get over here. What's up, buddy? Come on. Oh, he's like, nah, you guys are trying to put me on camera. You little fart. What are you doing? Come on.
No, he's like, nah, I'm not.
Okay, so here's where I'm at with the boat, guys. I was cutting the floor out. The last part you guys saw, I was washing it. I went ahead and got crazy, and I was like, man, I know the stringer in this thing is freaking rotten. So I ended up cutting the rest of the floor out, but I didn't get it on film because I had a buddy over here, and we were just doing shit, trying to get stuff done. But I'll show you guys what I did, and I took some pictures too. So here's what we got. I ended up cutting, last you saw I just had this square cut out. I went ahead and just cut all the way up to the front up here and then back around, but I still got to cut. I want to cut this out back here a little bit better, that way I want to cut this out back here a little bit better, that way I can get the wood all the way up into the back again, because I got to mount the trim pump, hydraulic pump back there. The battery's supposed to sit back here, so there's quite a bit going on back there, so I want to make sure that's nice and strong. The stringer in the boat, if you don't know what the stringer is, it's this 2x4 that goes down the center of the boat. This thing is rotten all the way up. I think it's still rotten all the way up underneath the dash, but I don't think I'm gonna go that far. I'm probably just gonna put it up to here, kind of mold it all together with some fiberglass, stiffen it up, and put the floor back in it and say screw it, because I mean the front of the boat up here is hardly ever in the water once you're up on plane, and when you're pulling a tube, you know, the ass end of the boat's going to be down in the water. So as long as this I think is pretty strong, I don't think I need to go all the way up into the front. I just don't have the time. I mean, I got so much stuff going on. So that's what I'm going to start doing. I need to trim these edges right here a little better, because with the Sawzall it kind of sucked. So I'm going to trim a little closer to the edge here so I can get the rest of the wood out along the edge, because you can see over there there's still some wood underneath the edge there. So that's where I'm at with the boat. You can see how bad the trim lines were leaking. There's oil all the way up into the front of the boat. I mean, it's probably been leaking for 20 freaking years. I mean, who knows? This boat's a 1974, so it needs a lot of work. But that's where I'm at with it. So let me get the tripod set up, and I'm gonna get in here. I'm gonna try to start cutting along the edge here so I can get all this wood out of the edge. And then I got new plywood over there. And then, oh, there's the boss. What's up, Whips? What you doing, boy? What you doing? Yeah, when he's around, man, we got to make sure we're doing everything right. I'll probably put a video up soon of the engine running before I end up taking it off the boat. I need to remove the trim lines. The trim lines are really rotten. That's why there's so much oil in the boat, is because the trim lines were leaking inside. The trim seals are leaking. I cannot find a rebuild kit for these. If anybody knows where I can find one, let me know. I don't know, I've been looking around, can't seem to find it, but they leak. So yeah, I don't know, I got some stuff to do. So let me get this camera set up and I'll start cutting. Wear the proper protection too. Are you cutting fiberglass? This is probably gonna be an itchy day for me. Gotta go take a shower after all this is over. And wash my clothes. I'm gonna attempt to wrap my jacket to my cuffs here, just to try to eliminate some of the dust from getting up my sleeves, but it probably won't stick very good. Oh yeah. It might work a little bit. trying to keep the dust from going up my sleeves. Doesn't stick to the glove very good though. Alright, let me get you guys set up over here a little closer. I'm probably just going to start cutting from the front and work my way all the way to the back. So here we go. Okay, that ended up working out pretty dang good. I ended up just cutting right along the edge here, and I was able to get it cut out, got the wood out of the edge. So I'm just gonna keep doing that all the way along and finish getting the rest of the wood out. And then, yeah, ended up cutting my finger, but it's all good. Just put a band-aid on it and be a man, you know? So, they don't call it the death wheel for nothing, you know? Alright, keep going here. All cleaned out, man. Looking good. This little extension we get in there, pretty good. We're gonna be working on that bilge in there next. I noticed it was leaking a little bit. Alright, on the ghetto ass workbench here on the garbage cans, I'm getting some strips cut for the inside of that bilge tub in there. We're just going to cut out some strips and lay some of this in there to kind of cover up those holes in there. some resin in there and try to get this stuff stuck in there, and we'll see how it turns out. I don't know, my scissors kind of suck now. But we'll just keep going here. I need to put some gloves on. I'm gonna be one itchy motherfucker. Oh, I just pulled it apart, dude. What the hell?
Zoom. Enhance.
God. Why did that fall apart? That sucks. Shit. Well, I don't want to have to cut another piece, but dang it, it kind of like pulled apart.
It'll work.
Oh well, it'll work, yep. Okay. Alright, we got this True Composites resin right here. We're gonna mix it up. I'm gonna go get some gloves on, and we'll try to get this stuff put in there. Alright, we're gonna mix up some of this stuff here and give this a shot. I've never fiberglassed anything in my life before, so we'll see how this turns out. Probably like shit. It's probably going to be a lot of fiberglass for what we're doing, but whatever. Whoa, man. Alright, put a 1/4 ounce of this in there. Alright, look, it's already reacting. And then I'll probably have to cut another strip for the bottom. But I'll have to do it quickly, probably.
You know what? That smell reminds me of Stretch Armstrong.
Smells like Bondo. Oh no! Damn it. Alright, hopefully that's mixed up enough. I'm assuming it is. Alright, here we go. Whoa. I'm gonna take one of our strips here. Probably gonna need a lot more resin than that, but I'm just gonna try to cover up those holes. That's what I'm aiming for, really. Stuff probably isn't going to want to stay here either. It's probably too thick. Probably should have pre-soaked that bastard. Damn it. Kind of fill that in a little bit. Let's get this other side ready. Damn it. Ow. Alright, it's a new day. I'm going to go ahead and try and get the measurement for our stringer here. Last we were doing some repairs back there in the bilge, which, I don't know, turned out alright. I might have to put one more layer in there. I don't know. We'll see what happens. But yeah, let me take some measurements and then we'll get this 2x4 over here cut and we'll get ready to go. Are you camera shy? Come here, you know you're the boss. Get over here. What's up, buddy? Come on. Oh, he's like, nah, you guys are trying to put me on camera. You little fart. What are you doing? Come on.
No, he's like, no, I'm not doing it.
Alright, I measured 114 inches in the boat. So I'll probably go a tad shorter, just so I know it fits. And that'll give me a little bit of wiggle room. That was a horrible straight line.
Who cares?
Who cares? I care. That's a little better.
Got the cats investigating the tarp over there.
Oh yeah. There's the boss again.
Supervising.
Okay, I'm gonna get the saw out. We're gonna chop this baby off and we'll see how it fits inside there and we'll get ready to do some more fiberglassing.
Hey, Whisper.
That's the boss. He's on site, we gotta be careful.
El Jefe.
Alright, I'm shoving the stringer up underneath the bow here. Try to get her rolling up in here now. Now the trick is to get it to fit in between those
Little grooves.
yeah, I might need like a screwdriver to kind of.
Smack the hammer over them. Ow, ow. It's right there. Down by that knot, you see? Yeah, right there.
Yeah, there's a lot of spots like that.
Yeah.
Shoot.
Is that a flathead behind you? Yes, it is.
I don't know. Might have to trim this 2x4 to kind of sneak it in there. I don't know. It's way too tight. Ouch. It's definitely hitting over here too. Shoot! And over there.
Mm-hmm.
Crap. Alright, I'll think of something. I might have to either trim this some more down here or shave the edges of the wood really quick to kind of make it slide in there. I'm not sure. So, we'll see. All kinds of creases in here. All right, folks, I got this cut at 34 inches. Check out these lines. Which one am I gonna follow? I don't know, but we're gonna cut this wood and get it in there. You like that? I like it. I don't know. I might do this one. I might just start up here in the middle. Fuck it, you know. All right, let's do it. One little imperfection there, but not too bad, not too bad. Okay, hopefully it fits. Okay, so here's where I'm at with the floor, folks. We got the wood cut. The lumber yard didn't have a piece long enough, so I had to cut another section out of some other plywood I had, but we got it to fit in there okay. There's a couple of gaps here and there, but I think we can fill it with some resin and some fiberglass. I don't think it'll be that big of a deal. It is what it is. I don't know. We'll see how it turns out. So next we'll be doing some fiberglassing work, and I'll try to get some of that on film for you guys as well. So stay tuned, I guess. Alright folks, this is going to be the end of this Tahiti floor video. Let me know what you guys think. I know it wasn't that great. I tried to get as much footage as I could. It's kind of hard to do. I was having camera problems, this and that, the weather, and you know, so I did the best I could. But I will probably have one more video, and it'll be kind of like a photo montage of the boat from the day I got it to the day we put it in the water. Is my goal, so stay tuned for that. That will show the boat from start to finish. This was just a quick couple of videos I wanted to make about replacing the floor. If you've never replaced a floor in a boat before, I mean, it's not that hard. You just got to cut all the old rotten wood out, cut a new piece of wood, and lay down some fiberglass. It wasn't that hard to do. Just take your time and, you know, wear the proper equipment and get her done, you know. So but let me know what you guys think. Drop me some comments down below. Let me know if any of you guys have ever done a floor in a boat. I don't know. I'd like to know how your experience was and all that good stuff. So take it easy, folks. Hit that subscribe button, hit that like button if you like this video. I'd appreciate that, and we'll see you guys in the next episode. I will have some more American Truck Simulator coming finally, and some other things like that. So stay tuned, folks. Take care. Peace out.